This program is called Tabletop Fastcar. What we're doing in this program is we take the group, we put them into teams. We have each team make a car, a Pinewood Derby style car, out of Legos.
At least we got some we can send out the slide that has wheels.
I see some interesting car designs out there. There's also some trivia. That's right, custom trivia. OCL stands for Operator Control Language.
We take all those cars, we put them over to the track, and we start racing. Everybody races in every lane. The excitement is crazy.
Oh, you got it! Can we break it?
We have the winning teams. We take our top 4 teams for one championship race. We'll have one winning team.
Let's all make this sports. Give a round of applause out there. Give a round of applause.